So welcome back to Olafem Mathematics class. As I promised you that I'll be working on solving on circle theorem. Any questions on circle theorem? So we are still on circle theorem series. Now let's look at this question. In the diagram above, PQR are 3 points. PQR are 3 points on the circle center O. Angle QPO is x and angle QRO is y. Which of the following is equal to the reflex angle PRO? PRO. What is reflex angle? Reflex angle is the angle that is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. So, example like this. Okay, as an equals to angle. Okay, so it's greater than 180. No, 180 is a straight line. So now you have to find this. What the angle will be. Arrow will be. Now, from that, let's move to the main work today. You will agree with me that before we find this angle, we must know this angle. Because angle at a point, angle at center is 360 degrees. So we must know this angle before we know this angle. But by the time, before we know this angle, there is a law that says that angle the angle of an arc that is sustained at the center of the circle, okay, is two times which is sustained at the any remaining parts on the circumference of the circle. What do they mean by the angle at center here? hmm, at which this arc sustained at center is two times the what the one sustained at the circumference of the circle. Okay, so what it just simply says that if uh if we are given this something like this, okay, if I'm given that if I have my angle to be uh 80, okay, so my angle here, since this place is two times, okay, is two times on this place. So if this is two times, what will be this place? That will be 40. That is two times. Okay. So that is what is this place mean. Now, haven't I mean uh I haven't generated that. So what we do, you will know that this is a point, and any line from the point, any distance from the point to the point of the circumference of circle is a radius. This is a radius, this is a radius. Okay, now let's extend this line to this, and you can generate it. You can extend it further if you like. So to have to have what a to have radii. Okay, we can have as many radii as we want. Now you can see that this is equal. This is equal to this. Okay, and this is equal to this. So I can say this side is equal to this side as the same thing. Okay. Now, so that means that if this place is y, this place will be what? Y, by the virtue of base of isosceles triangle. Now we have two sides now. Any sides of the triangle, any two sides of the triangle that is equal, we call it isosceles triangle. Okay. So if this one is x, this also will be what? Will be x. All right. So now, so based on that, okay. Now let's find the angle that is here. Now you will agree with me that under the properties, one of the properties of triangle, I've done something like that before. If I have A, B, C, D, E, F, the addition of these two interior angles will give me one exterior opposite one exterior angle. A plus B is equal to F. You can check my videos on that. Okay, other one video. So x, this is x plus x, and that will give me 2x. This is y plus y, that will give me 2y. Okay, so now if I should add them together, that will give me 2x plus what? Plus y. Now I think we can now go and solve now. So this point now, P R O at the center will give me 2x plus 2y. Okay, and we said the question said we should find what the reflex angle angle POR, the reflex angle. Okay, this angle, this angle, not this angle. Okay, so far that we know that angle at a point at center is what, 360. So the reflex angle now, the reflex angle POR, that will be 360 degree minus 2x plus 2y. Okay, and that will be 360 minus 2x minus 2y. So if you divide both sides by 2, okay, you can divide both sides by 2 or 2, that will give you 180 minus x minus y, and that will be the angle of the reflex angle. So yeah, I mean, feel free to comment and to share and to follow this channel. If you don't understand, you can rewind, as in play back the video. Thank you.